Man, looking at these charts was not what I was expecting today. But we're gonna see what we can get. It wasn't on, but I wasn't saying anything. I mean, I don't know if you heard me say hi to you, but I thought I unmuted it then. But I'm just marking up my charts right now. I'm still trying to figure out what the move of the day is going to be. I'm still just overall bearish for the week, but I'm just trying to figure out how this is going to play out. Like right now, we don't have a real big New York lunch and New York lunch range, so just kind of being patient right now. But yeah, I was putting these equal highs right here, these relative equal highs, because I'm just trying to see, I'm trying to figure out what the market's doing right now. Since I am bearish, I'm trying to see like bearish structure, like to make sure I'm reading it right. So I'm like looking at these, like where these relative equal highs, and where we just like kind of coming up here and sweeping it. And another reason why I'm kind of thinking that this might be the highest that it wants to go, if you look, we still have 30 minutes and we haven't closed outside of this 4-hour fair value gap. So I'm kind of thinking that this push up was like one last sweep, And then if bodies come back and we close in this for the 4 hour, I think we should be able to sell off. But I'm thinking that all of this was just a pullback. Because, I mean, if we were really going to be bullish, we would have already been taking out previous highs, like higher time frame highs. And then if you look at the daily, like we haven't taken out either side of the trend. So I'm thinking, you know, we came up here and tried, but we still couldn't do it. And then if you look at this, like this is low key kind of inverted daily fair value gap. And yesterday kind of closed outside of it, not completely, but now we're trading all the way back up. So I'm kind of thinking that all of this was just like a pullback, but still got to wait and see what's going on. Hey, what's good, Joey? Yeah, and she's definitely not cooperating. Not right now. The longs last night would have been amazing, but I literally missed my, like as I was messaging y'all, like it was already starting and I just thought it had a little bit more time, but it was on the go last night. But it's all good. Kind of had a fast market last night for Asia. At least that move was. But yeah, I think I'm still standing bearish. And then as you can see, we did let's make sure that that was after 10. Okay, so this was the high at 10. But yeah, I'm just gonna be patient today, guys. Might not take anything, but if we do, I will let you know. Yeah, pre-market's been on one lately. Cause I usually don't even like I don't like trading Asia or London. I usually don't trade those markets, but it's been on point though. But like I was kind of saying yesterday too, like I am expecting today and tomorrow to be bearish days. But today could probably be more like a consolidation, weird back and forth day. But we should definitely have a direction on Thursday. And then Friday might be consolidation again or like a reversal, like a pullback or something. I thought it was Wednesday. Taste Thursday. I'm tripping. Oh, it was because I was on the charts last night and it was Wednesday, so that had messed me up. Sure is Thursday. Okay, so yeah, then yeah, we should still be getting a continuation down. Hey, what's going on, Ahmad? Oh yeah, good morning. No, it's all good. I mean, it's afternoon somewhere. Yeah, it's like that, man. But you know, just don't let the losses get to you. You can't let the wins get to you. You can't let the losses get to you because it's always gonna happen, bro. don't know. I'm liking these shorts, guys. I think I'm gonna put an order in. I'm gonna just do 5. Um, I'm trying to see if this wants to pull back a little bit more. Maybe I want to make sure we're respecting this fair value gap for sure. Yeah, I'm good too, man. Just ready to see what today has for us. Can't complain. It's been a really good past couple weeks, so I'm prepared to take some L's. I know it's coming. I want to go short, man. I want to go short, but it's just not ready yet. It doesn't look like it's ready yet. And then if we're gonna keep pushing up, I mean, I guess we heading up to all time highs, if anything. But I don't know. A lot of times you see this come up, like each time it swings up, gets almost close, and then we just reverse. Yeah, and you get better structure too at that time, man. You can just see what's going on a lot clearer. That thing's on the go, y'all. It is on the go. And do we just hop in long trying to find where it's where it's going to, or like that's kind of where my brain is. But what I'm thinking, I drew this trend line right here because this is kind of like the trend line going up. So I'm thinking maybe this could be a sweep of this, and we'll see if we kind of come up here and then like just reverse strong. But it's seeming like it's to the long side. And like I said, I'm cool with not taking a trade today. It's kind of outside of my bias. Yeah, you know, you definitely want to be like flexible, but I don't like targeting all-time highs because you don't know where to go. And that's what I'm thinking. I think there's a bunch of liquidity beneath. But, you know, I think we've been getting a lot of consolidation because the government's been shut down and all of that. So that's been messing with everything. So if you really look at, even on these higher time frames, we ain't really going anywhere. Like we kind of broke out this time, but we haven't really been going like anywhere for real. We'll try it out here though. We're gonna go short. I mean, it was a really slow pullback, but we did pull back into that trend line range. Just got to make sure we can at least, you know, get some displacement and keep the displacement to the downside. I mean, maybe target. No, that's kind of, I don't think. And let's see. You said they are selling our puts on the way up. Okay. Yeah, I was trying to go short, but here we are now. Yeah, if we don't like get like real good selling pressure, like in the next 15 minutes, I don't think we probably not going back any lower. It's seeking something up top. And it's probably just old highs. And you know, since I'm bearish, I keep looking for YouTube is not what? Y'all can still hear me? I don't know why it's telling me that. It's saying it's not picking up enough video or something. Let me know if the stream is cool. Okay, cool. Okay, bet. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, it was telling me, OBS was telling me there was an error saying my stream wasn't sending enough video or something. But we're good. Yeah, I'm the way this is looking, I'm not sure if like we're creating structure, we created displacement through, old highs. So I mean it's kind of telling us this is the trend that it wants to be on. We're not getting a strong rejection or anything, like it's not giving us any hints that it's ready to sell yet. Other than our own analysis. We're trying to anticipate this, but the market hasn't told us it's ready yet. Or it's probably just not, it might not do it at all. Like, you know what I mean? That's definitely a chance that might happen too. Yeah, so we're creeping up to my stop right now. And if I get taken out and then like we have an aggressive like sell off, I'm gonna hop right back in. But that will be my last trade. Yeah, so it stopped me out. But it's not looking good to the downside right now. Maybe this push up was like one last attempt, but we shall see. Hey, what's going on, SB? So we're doing good, man. We just sitting here trying to figure out what's going on. Still stuck on my short bias for the New York session, but we've been bullish all day. From we made our London low, and then we just kept pushing away from that. Or no, that wasn't even this was the Asia low, and then at New York Open we came and swept that New York or that Asia low, and then we just been bullish since. And then we left this lunch low from yesterday's PM session. Did you get in anything today? Did anybody get anything today? Or was everybody kind of short bias? Man, imagine holding that long from PM session yesterday till now. Like just holding that up right now. Hey, okay, good job. And who is this through again? You're with Top Step, right? They didn't tell you passed already? Or is it because the whole outage thing is like delayed? Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Mad Moxie, good job. SB Soul. Okay, cool. It's been in it today. I am willing to try another short whenever we get like strong bullish pressure, or whenever we hold on 1 second, y'all. Who is this? Oh no, that's not it. But if we can either get strong bearish pressure, like, you know, back into this range, or if we hit 25,292, like somewhere around there. But it doesn't even look smart to go short anymore, to where the way this these 4 hour candles are looking. Like, we look very heavy bulls. They're running it right now. Yeah, that's what it's really giving that energy right now. Yeah, I think they're supposed to be, but is there the whole government thing's not affecting that, right? I mean, like, they're still doing it as scheduled. It's not like a to be announced type of thing. Like, it's for sure. Yeah, so that's why I'm kind of like, I mean, I don't know if that's gonna. I've heard a couple people talk about it, but I don't know what it's gonna do, or if it's gonna be anything or not. All right, I might try from right here. So low risk. It's not gonna be as expensive. Hey, I'm in. What's going on? I was wondering where you been at. How you been? Caught myself trying to front run that. Oh, the daily gap still hasn't been filled yet. Yeah, that's why I was saying, like, that makes sense though, because I was thinking about 292. Oh, okay, got you, got you. Oh yeah, because it's kind of late over there for you, huh? like this whole move up, you could just tell it's been like manufactured. Like it's like the algos low key, just how smooth is moving up and everything's moving down. There's nothing really outside moving these markets for real. It's just like pure price action. There's like no news going on, government shutdown, and that's probably why I've been doing a lot better too, because it's not. I don't feel like there's as much manipulation. Trying this short right here. I like the pullback. I know I'm supposed to be waiting for this up here, but part of me is like, if we're gonna stay bearish, like this AM high has to stay here, or the London high. Yeah, so gold, man, I looked at gold the other day, but my strategy does not work with gold. It's just not the move. Yeah, I'm gonna just close this and wait for the next one. I'm gonna wait for like everybody was saying, above 290. I do think that's probably gonna be the best bet. But I already placed what, like 3, 4 trades just now. I'm okay with just sitting out and watching this at this point. I'm trying to force things. Hey, what's going on, Futures Empress? How's your day going? Ooh, yeah, gold moves a little too crazy for me. See, this thing always wants to keep me out. All right, so if we close below this fair value gap right here, I'm getting in on the next candle that comes and retest it. Because I was trying to get in right there, and I shouldn't have closed it out. Got you, boy. Look at that. This could just be like a aggressive pullback or something to keep moving the trend up, but not sure. So if we get like extremely bearish from here, like where we should be selling off. Because like I was saying, if we're in a bearish market, we shouldn't be coming up and taking these previous session highs for real. but this could just be a pullback because we did open up just aggressive and sold off, especially on this hourly. Because we're only 3 minutes into the hour and look how far we came down. And remember, I had that little trend line thing. So you see, we came up and now we're right back into the range. So that was probably a sweep. So this really might be our goal for going short. Possibly. I'm going to get in, but we're going to see. Okay, so there was another inverted fair value gap right here, but that already got tapped into. And you know, like everything I always tell y'all, we want to make sure bodies don't close back up here. We can trade back up here and everything, but we want to make sure this doesn't close if we want to stay bearish. So there's a minute left in this 5-minute candle. So you got to keep that in mind. I don't like how bullish this 1-minute candle is right now. Can you check on her? Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm liking the way this is kind of building up right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in case we don't even get back up into this. So I was kind of looking forward to retest this inverted fair value gap, but we inverted this previous one, right? And we came back, tested in there. We created a new fair value gap. We came up in there, and now we're pushing away again. Yeah, so it definitely could be still long. So what could be happening right now is that we're just coming back to test this New York lunch high possibly, because you see we have a fair value gap right above it. So it could be enough to like push price down there just to test it out, because you do see the bodies of these candles. It is still kind of respecting the trend to go to the upside. But so either we can just get a pullback to the New York lunch high, or we can get to the New York lunch low and then try and go long again. But I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking we're probably seeking some internal liquidity right now. So I'm not saying it's gonna be like a long trend and holding it for the rest of the day, because the day has been bullish, right? So it's not. It's kind of unrealistic to think it's gonna do that, but it can, right? It can, but. So I'm low key just thinking we're getting like a pullback into some type of internal range liquidity, and then it's gonna continue up, possibly. And you see we're trading back in this fair value gap, right? This 1 minute. So I mean, I was hoping that it would just go through it, because you see we've already traded through it a couple times. So I wasn't expecting it to really hold too much weight. Excuse me. cold in here. And we keep getting hesitation on both ends of these 1 minute candles. Back in this fair value gap, respecting the 50% of it. Okay. So, not liking how um, candles are respecting this um, fair value gap, but we did create a fair value gap on the push down on the 5 minute that wasn't tapped into. So I think that should hold us down here if we do start going up there. So yeah, I'm starting to like this short a little bit more now. Looks good till 161. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it's like this is probably just gonna be like a pullback or something. Yeah, for sure. So how I can frame the way I'm looking at this is like, we pushed up. We should be expecting a pullback. So like I was saying, we're shorting either to like this fair value gap or like this New York lunch high. That might be all it wants to give us. But I'm thinking like, the other thing is that we kind of swept this trend line. Like that's one thing that's kind of sticking out to me. Now we're back in the range. We didn't really start selling off, but if I move this up here, you can just kind of tell it's not really part of the trend. So I'm kind of banking on that. And we got a 5 minute fair value gap to at least keep us in this bearish trend for a little bit. Hey, what's going on, Nicole? Oh yeah, let me look at ES. I'm gonna pull it up on my other screen. Yeah, I see what you're saying. That breakaway gap. Yeah. So I mean, yeah, it's kind of hit or miss if it does tap into that. Like, I mean, it's still part of the trend, right? And then uh, um, there's still like lower gaps too that were never taken. But yeah, ain't no telling right now. See, this is what I was that right there. Now that makes me think like this was the move I was thinking that was gonna happen. Sweep like this and then push up, but I didn't have a stop there, and it just happened so quick. So I mean, if we start pushing back up into the range, then yeah, I'm thinking we're going long after doing something like that. Absolutely. Yeah, right. I don't think so. I just think it was just it's just liquidity there. Yeah, I'm trying to see if this 5 minute fair value gap is gonna hold any weight, but like I already told you guys, it's kind of what I was saw that I think was gonna happen for real. We're starting to push back up into the range. We just tapped into this 5 minute fair value gap, and that was the first time it did that on the 5 minute chart. You see it happen like on lower time frame. So I don't know, but we went and swept the liquidity below first before pushing up. So this might not mean anything. Or we could also just get trapped in between these two fair value gaps and just keep consolidating until it decides what it really wants to do. Trump is speaking at 8. Okay. 8 what? 8 for you? 8's a long time away from my time. Oh, okay, like tomorrow morning or 8 p.m., you're saying? Okay. So we got to keep that in mind for Asia. Okay, that's why I was trying to figure. Okay, 3 p.m. So power hour, he's talking. Hold on, I gotta go be a dad real quick. Okay, so it's 3 p.m. today. Okay, cool. So we still got a little, well, so he's talking in like 40 minutes. I mean, that could send it either way. Could send us through the roof or straight down. But yeah, it's about time to get up out of this. Yeah, gang. About to get stopped out, and this will be my last trade. I will be done early today. especially since we got Trump coming up too. Yeah, just about to be done after this one. Hey, is anybody gonna be hey, what's going on, One Stop? Is anybody gonna be doing that Tradeify competition, that Grand Cup thing? I think I might try that out. Yeah, I'm gonna hop up in there, man. We gonna see. I wish I did the trade day influencer cup, but I wasn't. I just wasn't paying attention when they were doing all of that. Yeah, a close outside. We did get that close outside that well, I don't know which side, which fair value you got. Are you bearish or bullish, Nicole? Yes. These next couple minutes, I think we're about to have a candle that's about to shoot up and take me out. 320 got fill. Okay. Okay. No, I'm only asking though too because of the because I was trying to figure out what side you wanted it to close on. Okay, cool. How is Lucid? I've been hearing about them. Hey, that's what's up. Yeah, so this 1 minute candle is pretty much closing outside of the gap. So yeah, this is probably gonna push us up there. Okay. That's always a plus. I love when they pay fast. What's their like payout rule though? Like, um, as far as uh days you need to trade. Yep, that was it for me. Look at that. Oh man, you better not. Better not. It's probably going to too. But I'm not taking anything else. So just lock this bad boy out. Yeah, if we can just extend away from here, this will be the perfect short, bro. How we just swept up there and just like extended away immediately, but we didn't continue pushing away from there. And I already got stopped out and I locked myself out, so I'm not placing another trade in this one. He has the 150, I think, to make 9K and the 150K to withdraw 3K. So I think he has the 150K. I'm in. Once again, shorts are going on without me. Missed my long last night and I'm missing my short right now. But it's all good. I'm already down too much, so just locking this one out. But shorts for sure, that's what I was looking at. Feel like this was a little bit more confirmation now. Now again, this could just be a pullback, but if we are in a bearish market, we've got to leave a high up here. Like we've got to leave something up here. Okay. Yeah, so it's like that a lot. There was like a 5 minute fair value gap that we've been kind of bouncing back around, but yeah, that's about it. Probably just got to look lower time frames to see if there's any other gaps right there, because I think there was like a maybe like a 1 minute or something. Oh man, my daughters have been giving me work these last couple days. They're about to turn 2 next month, and the terrible twos already started, and I got double dose. The 1 second, that's crazy, bro. Most I might do is like the 15 second. 1 second is it's crazy. But you know, those like smaller time frames definitely have their place. Like when you say you like in a like you're in the market and there's like no structure for real on like the 1 minute or the 5 minute, there's usually like better structure on lower time frames. And that goes with everything too. So like if you look at higher time frames and you don't see a fair value gap, but you see like big candles in those areas, like zoom in on it, like zoom down into lower time frames and you'll see some gaps for sure. That's dope. I just try to place my entries on lower time frames. I try not to watch too much structure on lower time frames because you know you get it's a lot of movement sometimes, especially when there's volatility, like you're saying. But for entries, man, I love lower time frames. Oh yeah, and Trump's talking in 20 minutes. You said right? Let me pull up Forex Factory. Yep, yes he is. So I'd be careful because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people anticipating Trump talking, and it is just showing as red folder news. But the fact that we really haven't had any news, it might as well be red. I think it was orange folder. It showed as orange, but it might as well be red. So I would be very cautious about that. But yeah, guys, that's it for me today. I'm not placing any other trades. I'm still kind of short bias for a little bit at least. The formation's kind of forming, but we could just be consolidating too because we got Trump coming up in 15 minutes, so keep that in mind. But I'm still short bias. We still left this New York AM from a couple days ago intact. We tried to push up there twice to get there, and then this one right at 2:30, we had a push up and then it failed. Back within the range, back within that fair value gap. So, I mean, shorts could still be in play, but you just got to watch it, man. But good luck to everybody, man. But I'm calling it a day. We've had a really good last couple weeks, so I'm going to take this L like a gentleman and go enjoy my day, man. But y'all have a good one, man. Good luck to everybody. Make sure y'all keeping them stops in place. Don't get tilted. You know what I mean? Cut it off when you need to. And yeah, other than that, y'all have a good weekend. And it's Friday, or no, it's Thursday. My days are all mixed up. Excuse me. I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's not Friday. But all right, y'all have a good day. I'll see y'all tomorrow.